Friends, are you thinking of starting your own mini factory from a small room, small enough to fit in a corner and with machines powerful enough to generate big profits every day? If you say yes, then don't worry. In today's video, we're going to talk about the top 10 mini factory machines that can be set up in a small space, require low investment, and are highly profitable. These machines are affordable, easy to operate, and are in high demand right now. Moreover, you can earn a good daily income using them even without almost any employees. In this situation, if you have ever dreamed of starting your own manufacturing business but felt limited by space or budget, this video could be the turning point you have been waiting for. Trust us, once you watch this video, you will realize how easy it is to start a manufacturing business in 2026. For your convenience, we have included the links to all these machines in the video description. So watch the entire video because each machine has a new business idea. So come on, without any delay, let's get started. Hi friends and welcome to New Business Ideas. Number 1. Jelly Candy Machine. The jelly candy machine allows you to produce delicious and fun jelly candies. The machine heats and mixes ingredients such as sugar, gelatin, flavors and colors, then pours the mixture into molds where it cools and solidifies into various shapes such as bears, rings, hearts and fruits. And since the machine operates fully automatically, one person can operate the entire production line, giving you clean, consistent, attractive candies at high speed, making it a very profitable option for anyone looking to start a small-scale food manufacturing business with low investment and high returns. Number 2. Strap Weaving Machine. Strap Weaving Machine is a small but powerful production unit. This machine can produce strong and durable straps used in bag making, luggage, school bags, belts and packaging industries with adjustable width and strength of polyester, nylon or cotton threads. And it is driven by an automatic control system that produces continuously long straps with very low energy consumption, making it ideal for entrepreneurs who want to supply the bag manufacturing industry or start their own strap brand with a small investment while maintaining excellent quality and high production speed. Number 3. Air Fryer Paper Making Machine. Air fryer paper making machine cuts, presses and shapes oil-resistant, heat-resistant, food-grade paper liners used in air fryers, ovens and baking trays with special grease-proof paper into cup-style liners in different sizes. Moreover, with the demand for air fryer accessories increasing rapidly due to global shift towards healthy cooking, starting this mini factory business becomes a very profitable opportunity for you as one operator can handle the entire machine, customize the packaging for branding, and easily sell your products online and offline, especially through kitchenware stores and e-commerce platforms. Number 4. Tin Can Filling Machine. This tin can filling machine allows you to fill products such as oil, paint, food products, chemicals, and powders directly into metal cans with high accuracy and zero leakage. Therefore, you can use this machine to start your own packaging line or provide contract packaging services to other companies. Moreover, it makes a high demand investment because tin-packed products have a long shelf life. So you can easily attract bulk buyers such as wholesalers and manufacturers looking for reliable packaging partners. Number 5. PE Film Blowing Machine. The PE film blowing machine melts plastic pellets, blows them into a large bubble, and then turns them into thin, strong film rolls. These PE films are used to make carry bags, garbage bags, packaging sheets, produce bags, and many other everyday plastic products. Moreover, with the increasing demand of flexible packaging in the agricultural, retail, and industrial sectors, you can start a mini factory with this PE film blowing machine and get steady orders from hundreds of small bag manufacturers, which gives you a long-term profitable business opportunity with good potential. Number 6. Pipe Forming Machine. This machine is used to cut, bend and shape metal or plastic sheets used in construction, plumbing, furniture and fencing into strong, perfectly round pipes in a continuous process. And since the demand for pipes in both rural and urban markets is constant, you can get continuous orders from hardware stores, contractors and industrial buyers if you start a business with this machine. Moreover, you can operate this machine efficiently even in a small workshop, making it a profitable small-scale manufacturing business for you with constant demand and relatively low operating costs. Number 7. Air Bubble Film Making Machine. This air bubble wrap machine heats plastic film to trap air in layers and creates durable bubble sheets in different sizes and thickness. The demand for bubble wrap has increased as it is used in shipping fragile items such as electronics, glassware, e-commerce parcels, and industrial components. Therefore, if you start manufacturing this machine, you can easily sell it to small businesses, packaging suppliers, and courier service support companies. Moreover, its high production speed, low manpower requirement, and impressive profit margins will give you more. Number 8. Desktop Soft Ice Cream Machine. The desktop soft serve ice cream machine allows you to make fresh, soft serve ice cream instantly, making it ideal for cafes, juice shops, food stalls, bakeries, and small restaurants. Furthermore, this ice cream machine automatically mixes and freezes ingredients, providing smooth and creamy ice cream in a variety of flavors. And since it is small in size, easy to maintain, and very energy efficient, entrepreneurs can start a profitable dessert business with very little investment and high customer demand, especially during the summer season or in busy market areas where quick-serve frozen desserts sell out quickly. Number 9. Juice Pouch Filling Machine. With the juice pouch filling machine, you can fill fresh juices, flavored drinks, energy drinks, and fruit drinks into attractive sealed pouches with perfect hygiene and precision. Furthermore, this machine automates the entire process from filling to sealing. Therefore, it reduces labor costs for you and increases speed. With pouch drinks being very popular in schools, cafes, supermarkets, and travel shops, this mini factory allows entrepreneurs to start a beverage business with relatively low investment and high profit potential. Number 10. Paper Soup Bowl Making Machine. Paper soup bowls are in high demand for restaurants, street food stalls, cloud kitchens, and catering businesses looking for plastic alternatives. So you can use this machine to produce thick paper into leak-proof bowls with strong edges and a smooth finish for serving soups, noodles, curries, desserts, and snacks. Not only that, this mini factory requires very little space and manpower, and the bowls are selling in large quantities as demand for biodegradable packaging increases. Therefore, it provides a sustainable, future-proof business that supports new entrepreneurs and growing food delivery markets. So friends, which of these machines caught your eye the best? Let us know in the comments which business idea excites you the most. So if you want to know more information about this business, please check our website and the link in the video description. We hope this video will help you in initiating your own business. Thanks for watching, friends. Subscribe for more exciting business ideas. And don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends. See you in the next video.